I'm still in Bangkok, and today I want to take one of the express boats that go along the Chao Phraya River. A long-tail boat just went by. I have a view of the river from here. Ooh, let me show you. There it goes. I want to go to like a typical Thai market, and I know there's one called Wang Lang, and I might go to that one. There are like 4 or 5 different types of boats. Actually, there's a whole bunch of boats, but the express boat has like 5 different lines. There are about 30 something stops. Now the express boat is color coded. It has a flag, and depending on what color flag you choose, it will stop more or less, okay? So it's blue, orange, yellow, green, and nothing. The boat that has no flag stops at every single stop. The orange one stops a lot, but not as much as the one with no flag. The yellow one is more an express. The green one is also like an express. So you can see that the blue one only stops until 13. You know, depending on where you want to go, make sure you check what flag stops at what stop. So you know which one you want to take, okay? I'm going to take the yellow one today. I want to go to Wang Lang. I could take the orange one, but it will make more stops and it will take longer. So I think I'm going to take the yellow one. Just wanted to get that explanation out of the way, and now I'm gonna take the boat from my hotel that takes me over to the station I showed you guys the other day, the SkyTrain station. The main pier is called Saturn, so I'm gonna go back there. And the tickets you can get at one of the booths that we'll find at the pier, or you can actually, I think you can purchase it, you can purchase the ticket right on the boat. So I have change just in case. I have a picture of the different stops with the different color boats, okay? So I have it with me. I have a picture of it because I don't have Wi-Fi. I don't have data on my phone, okay? Because it's roaming. And the picture is always available. See the 4 flags? So you know that the 4 types of boats stop there. This is Saturn. Buy tickets. This is the touristy boat. I think this is the blue flag, and it stops at these places, but I don't want to take this one. This is for the orange flag. Where's for the yellow flag?
No yellow, orange flag.
Ah, no yellow. So there goes one of the boats with the orange flag. They do not have any yellow flag today, okay? So I'm gonna have to take the orange. So something interesting happened to me in the hotel. I said I wanted to go to a market, and they recommended like an air-conditioned market that the tourists go to. And I said, no, I don't want to go there. They actually sent me back to Siam. I didn't want to go there because I've already been there. And it's like it's very European, very American. I don't want to go there. So I told them that I wanted to go to something more authentic, and if Wang Lang was okay. And they said, oh, it's really small and only Thai people go there. And I said, perfect. fun part, you know? Oh no. Now this I want. Cute. Hello.
You want?
No, that's... Pretty, very pretty. That one's pretty too. It's really hot. I just hope I find my way back out, because this is like a maze, and I hope I find my way back out. What I find surprising is that the guy at the hotel said this place is really small. It's not small. They're looking at me funny. Raining. Look at this tree. I'm here by the river, and I am going to have lunch dinner, a very late lunch. I'm having pork with sweet chili sauce, white rice, and a Thai iced tea. That's delicious. Very good.